I'm Captain Steve, and we're going to show you how to properly approach a dock. I have a little Corky saying, never approach the dock faster than you want to crash into it. My speed shouldn't be any more than about 2 to 3 miles an hour, 3 being absolute maximum as we approach the dock. And then another thing you're going to take away from this is you'll watch me maintain a constant 2 to 3 miles an hour by engaging forward and coming back to neutral. So forward to neutral. And as we approach the dock, I'm going to try to be at an angle of about 45 degrees or so. In my last minute maneuver, which is generally the hardest maneuver for this, we actually are going to turn towards the dock and engage reverse. So we are going to basically almost turn towards the side of danger and then engage reverse. And that's the biggest takeaway. So here we go, we're approaching the dock, and here we go with my hand. I'm turning left towards the dock, engaging reverse, and that is going to grab the back of the boat and spin the boat right in parallel right into the dock.